A very good Monday morning to everyone out there. Landon here with you in the driver's seat to bring you your weather night forecast courtesy of Ohio Valley Insurance. Getting a look out there, folks, we've had a cold front that's passed just to the south and east of the region throughout the overnight. High pressure is going to turn in very light winds out of the north. It's going to bring us a little bit of reprieve on the humidity front. Still going to be very hot as we work throughout the day and on into this afternoon underneath a healthy mix of sun and cloud cover. Getting a look across the region, the sky cam overlooking the Lovers Lane Soccer Complex and the Loops Trails showing not a cloud in the sky. With that cold front clearing out, drier air is taking over, clearing out those skies. Same can be seen overlooking the rolling farmland of Gold City, Kentucky. Sexton Ben Builder Sky Cam showcasing some fog rolling right along the surface there. But outside of that, loads of sunshine to take in. And that's what it's going to be like, folks, as we work and progress throughout the day. We've got readings right around the mid and upper 60s region-wide. We will be taking highs all the way up to right around the 90-degree mark this afternoon. But dew points should hang out between the mid and upper 60s. Compare that to yesterday whenever we had upper 70s realized. It'll be a little bit better in terms of those conditions in the great outdoors. Getting a look here at the latest surface map, a little bit better depiction. Cold front is sunk down, boarding right there along the north side of the Gulf states with Mississippi and Alabama. High pressure churning in, but folks, the good news is as we work throughout the week, we're going to have more prominent chances of rain and storms that's finally going to be entering the forecast. Let's take a look at it and break it down. This is our surface map. All is going to be dry and quiet throughout the day, all the way through Tuesday as well. But keep your eyes to our north and west as we roll into the pre-dawn hours of our Wednesday morning. We've got a deepening low pressure system stretching all the way up, well up into Canada. And that cold front stretches all the way back through the Great Plains. As that cold front dives down to the south and east, abundant moisture coming in out of the Gulf of Mexico. We've got the recipe for likely shower and storm chances to develop. Some of those storms could even become strong to marginally severe. We will have a damaging wind risk to come along with that. Perhaps some excessive rainfall at times, and we could certainly use it with the quiet pattern we've been dealing with here recently, all right? So we'll take you over here and we'll put this into motion. This is a look at the simulated radar here over the next 2 to 2.5 days or so. You can see as we work throughout the day, all is going to be quiet. The same as we work into the overnight tonight, and then as we get into our Tuesday as well, we're finally going to be able to see a change here as we work into our Tuesday afternoon where you can see that reflectivity there. But it dries out, and we're going to have a reinforcing jolt of a lifting mechanism in terms of that cold front that's finally going to arrive here as we work throughout our Tuesday night. As you can see here, we got sporadic development right along and just north of the Ohio River during the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday. And then as we close in on roughly 2 to 3 a.m., we get some of the activity here across the northern tier of Wobbles country. And then all of this activity, folks, is going to slide to the south and east throughout the day on Wednesday, as you can see here. Hopefully this comes to fruition, folks, and we get some much needed rainfall that is going to be on the ground. We squeezed out right around 1/10 of an inch for a chunk of wobbles there yesterday. We'll take whatever we can get right now, but it simply wasn't enough. Hopefully we can get some more in terms of total rainfall amounts in the Tuesday night and throughout the Wednesday time frame. Shifting back over here to the long-term guidance after we get past Wednesday with the rain and storm chances, we quiet back down throughout our Thursday and Friday, but then as we get into the weekend, you can see this deepening low pressure system, yet another cold front moving through here on Saturday into Saturday evening, on into the early morning hours of our Sunday as well. We could get in on more rain and storm chances that could be potentially coming along with that. Now, looking back here on the shorter term of guidance, folks, we have been included in a 1 out of 5 on the severe weather risk scale. This is valid for Wednesday. The Storm Prediction Center has given you a 5% probability of seeing damaging winds occur within 25 miles of you. Total rainfall amounts here over the course of the next week. We're going to look at anywhere from a ½ inch up to an inch of total rainfall Hopefully we'll come in on the higher end of guidance by the time it's all said and done, with the bulk of this falling Tuesday night through the very early morning hours of our Thursday, okay? Here's a full breakdown of your next 5 days. Loads of sunshine today, right around 90 degrees this afternoon. On Tuesday, maybe a pop-up storm chance during the afternoon, but otherwise it's going to be even hotter and more humid. Heat indices back to right around the 100-degree mark Tuesday afternoon. Likely shower and storm chances work through here on Wednesday with more cloud cover as well, mitigating highs. And behind the cold front, folks, the pick of the litter is on Thursday. We're going to have slightly lower humidity come in here. Much cooler temperatures down right around the mid and upper 80s. And then we'll be right back up to the low and mid 90s Friday on into the start of the weekend. Although you can't see the icon there on Saturday, pop-up showers and storms in the afternoon and evening. That'll wrap up your Monday morning Whether or Not forecast, brought to you by Ohio Valley Insurance. You all take care of yourselves and each other. Have a great start